Hi, my name is Arjun and welcome to our Christmas series 2023. The great cinnamon buns or cinnabuns were first made in Sweden in the 1920s. In Sweden, they're called kennelbull, which translates to cinnamon buns. This Christmas, I level up my bread making skills with Tangzhong bread dough. This Japanese dough that uses a jelly-like thick slurry starter makes bread even spongier and fluffier. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! We'll start by making the Tangzhong dough, for which we'll take a saucepan and we'll add in flour. Next goes in water and we'll cook it on a high flame until the mixture thickens. This process gelatinizes the starch molecules in the flour, which makes for a fluffier bread. And we'll pour it into a glass container and place it in the fridge for 8 to 10 hours.
The next day.
It's been 10 hours and let's check on our dough starter. Next we'll take a food processor and I'll add in flour, sugar and instant dry yeast. And we'll give it a mix. Next goes in milk and we'll add in our Tangzhong dough starter. And now we'll knead it for 2 to 3 minutes. Next goes in softened butter. I'll sprinkle some dry flour and I'll take my dough out onto our counter. Now I'll transfer the dough into a greased bowl using a bench scraper. Now I'll cover the dough and I'll let it sit for a few hours. It's been 2 hours and our dough has doubled in size. We'll sprinkle some dry flour and we'll take our dough out. And we'll roll it. Now I'll spread the butter across the dough. Next, I'll spread a mixture of brown sugar and cinnamon. and we'll also sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Let's roll it. I want to precisely cut it, so I'll be cutting it using a floss. Ta-da! Now I'll let it rest for 40 minutes for second proofing. Before baking, I'll give it a milk wash. Now I'll pop it in the oven at 200 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. Hear that? It's done! Ta-da! Let's give it a try. These are soft, gooey and extremely delicious and taste best warm out of the oven. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more Christmas recipes. If you want to watch more Christmas recipes, click here. Thank you.